Today I'm very excited because I've been waiting for these shoes since I saw first images of the shoe. And yes, as you can see by the box, this is a pair of Jordan 1 Low Retros. Yes, I'm excited for a pair of Jordan 1 Low Retros. For a lot of you, that's something that might blows your mind, but I like the shoe inside of this box. What can I say? And I actually like the box as well. I'm a big Jordan 1 fan, and I think this is the best box for a pair of Jordan 1s because this one have the Wings logo on the side. And yeah, let's go with the shoes, man. These shoes right here is a pair of Jordan 1 Low Retro in the matte gray and fire red colorway. I think this one is very damn nice for real, man. Ooh. Now you see why I was excited about these shoes. This is a very nice looking pair of shoes, man. Damn, these are freaking nice, guys, for real. I love these shoes so freaking much. The colorway I think is very nice. So yeah, guys, we're going to review this shoe on today's video. I'm gonna talk about the materials used on these shoes because these are not the usual materials that we normally have on Jordan 1 Lows. The colorway, color blocking, quality of the materials as well. And I'm also gonna show you how these babies look on feet. But before we go into all that, please let me ask you to go and hit the thumbs up if you're liking the content. Also go and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Activate the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single day, guys. So go follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok as Jason J Kicks. And now let's begin this video. Guys, I just noticed that with the light that I have here for my videos, you can already see that the gray areas of the shoe is 3M. Yes, for those of you who love 3M, you're gonna have that material on these pair of Jordan 1 Lows. But don't worry, if you want to see how they look normally when you take it outside of the box, the B-rolls are here to show you the beauty of the shoe. But if you like 3M, yeah, that's the material that we have on the ankle area of the shoe and also on the heel of the shoe. But this is gray. Without the light, this is a gray color that looks very damn nice. This is like a Byron Jordan 1 Low for the colorway and color blocking that we have here, because as we can see, we have this black suede coming from the eyelet all the way to the toe of the shoe, and it's a really nice feeling suede that we have here on the shoe, or nubuck I should say, but feels really nice on the shoe. That's the same material that we have on the black Nike swoosh. Pretty nice, man. Then we have the white panel on the shoe and the white toe. And yeah, right here we have synthetic leather. Feels a little better than the regular one, but I ain't gonna lie to you, this is synthetic leather that Nike used like they normally do on Jordan 1 Low Retros, but the rest of the materials are different. And yeah, that's what we have here, the suede material and the 3M material on the ankle area and on the heel of the shoe. Pretty nice, pretty damn nice. I'm liking this shoe a lot. This shoe also comes with a white midsole, as we can see here. The midsole has some speckles. Let me know if you can see that right there. I thought the shoe was dirty, but nah, that's the way the shoe comes straight out of the box with these little color speckles on. Looks nice. It's part of the concept of the shoe. I like that. The outsole of the shoe is the best color for a outsole. The outsole is black, as you can see right there in camera. I know you're not blind, but let me do my job. So we have a black outsole, which is super damn good because black outsoles don't get dirty, and even if you go and walk in the ground or in a yard, you can simply get a brush and clean it, and the shoe is gonna look freaking damn good again. It's not like one of those colors that once they get dirty, they never look the same again. Black outsole is simply the best color for a outsole. I think it's toe to toe with the gum bottom, but black outsole is the best one. The gum bottom looks a little better sometimes, but yeah, it is what it is. The colorway on this shoe is a color combination between gray on the back, the black that we can see here on the swoosh and on the eyelets and the toe. Then we have white on the side panel, white on the midsole, and white on the top area of the toe with the perforations right there. But we also have a black tongue with a red Jumpman. This is the fire red color that we have here for these Jumpman. Same that we have for the Wings logo on the back of the shoe, and the red that we see here on the insole of the shoe with the Jumpman branding right here. These shoe only have Nike branding on the bottom of the shoe. Take a look at that right there. But I think it's a pretty solid shoe, you know. The only shoes that comes with the Nike branding, I mean the only Jordan 1 lows that comes with the Nike tag here are the OG lows. This is a retro low, a retro version of the Jordan 1 low silhouette. Let me show you a pair of OG, the one I have on feet right now. This is the OG silhouette. This is the retro silhouette. The OG silhouette is my favorite between these two, but the retro is not bad, you know, just that the OG is just another level when it comes to the weight looks and the materials as well. Let me know if you want me to do a comparison showing you all the differences and details between the retro and the OG Jordan 1 lows. There's a lot of things that we can talk about here, but you gotta let me know if you want to see a full video dedicated to that topic, guys. This shoe also comes with a pair of laces, only one pair of laces, which are these white laces here. I think that white laces there, yeah, this is the best lace option for the shoe. It's going to look super damn freaking good. You know what? I'm going to put these laces right now on the shoe while I tell you a message, because I know that in the intro I told you that Jordan 1 Low Retros are so freaking underrated, and I told you that I was excited for the issue, and I know a lot of people will be like, you know, trying to make fun of me for being excited about a pair of Jordan 1 Lows, especially the retro ones like these, because these shoes are freaking underrated and people hate on these shoes and also on the Jordan 1 mid for absolutely no reason. For real, people are disrespecting this silhouette and the Jordan 1 mid silhouette as well, just because, you know. By the way, if you're asking, because a lot of you have been asking me, how do you lay your laces? Well, pay attention to what I'm doing, not what I'm saying, because this is the way I lace my shoes, you know. I think it's pretty basic, but again, I can give you a full video. It's gonna be a short video, but I can explain you the way I do it. But if you pay attention to what I'm doing, I think you're going to know exactly the way I like to do it. I like to put my laces here through this hole, like a lot of you do, I suppose. A lot of you do as well. It's very simple the way I do it, but I think it's the way the shoe can look nicer, in my opinion. This one, it's a colorway that is super nice, even on the retro Jordan 1 low. And if you like a shoe like I do, go get the damn shoes. If other people don't like the shoes, doesn't really matter, man. You're the one who have to be happy with the shoes on your feet, not anyone else, you know. If your friends or whoever else say that they don't like the shoes on your feet, guess what? You're the one supposed to like the shoes on your feet, not dumb. You know, stop looking for validation in all the people's, because haters are gonna hate, you know. So here I have the shoes with the laces, and I told you this is the perfect option for the shoe when it comes to the lace option, and these are the only one included. I think that probably red and black laces will work on these shoes as well, but I prefer to have the white laces because I think they pop really, really nicely on the shoe and complete the whole look that I love about the shoe. Let me know your opinion about it, guys. I think white laces is simply the best option. Yes, it's the only one, but it's the best one as well. On feet, these babies also look really, really damn good. I told you I'm a big fan of the way these shoes look because these are freaking damn clean. pretty fresh, easy to wear. You don't need to think that much about what outfit am I gonna wear these shoes with. Simply anything. The first thing you see you have in your closet, just put it out, put these shoes on your feet, and you'll be ready to go. When it comes to the sizing on the shoe, true to size, you should be good to go. The regular Jordan 1 size that you normally do the same. The lows, the mid, and the highs, they all fit me the same, so I recommend you to go through the size. But again, like I always said, if you don't know which is your true size, I recommend you to go to your local store. I'm sure you're going to find these or any other Jordan 1 low in your local store. That way, you can try the shoes in stores in any size you need to find out which is the perfect size for you guys. That's my absolute best recommendation. And this is a shoe that if you're looking for a nice pair of shoes, I recommend you to go for this one. So let me know your opinion about these shoes. The 3M effect on the back, I gotta say that it's my least favorite area of the shoe. I'm not a big fan of 3M, but I like the way the shoe looks normally without the light hitting in front of them. But a pretty nice looking shoe in my opinion. Let me know how you feel about these Jordan 1 Low Retros that I'm sure you ain't going to find that many videos about them, because hypebeast people just don't really show respect to a beautiful looking shoe like this, because you know the hype is not here. But if you appreciate beautiful shoes for what they are, I think you're going to appreciate a shoe like this. You know, that's all I'm trying to say. So thank you guys a lot for watching the video. Share your thought with me about this shoe. Is this a shoe that you're trying to get or not? Let me know in the comment section. The shoe is available right now. I got these shoes from Nike, but I saw this shoe also in Foot Locker, Snipes. Most of the retailers have these shoes already available if you want it. So just go and look around to see if you want to get these shoes right here. But that's basically it, guys. If you appreciate the content, leave a like, because I know the haters are not gonna do it. So if you appreciate your boy, if you appreciate the channel and you want to see this channel go up and up, just leave a like to help the content you know, keep getting to different people and yeah, all that. Just with a like, that's how much you can help me with a like, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, make sure to do it right now. If you enjoy sneaker content only, because I'm uploading a lot of sneaker content literally every single day, you're going to find new sneaker content on this channel, so make sure to be subscribed. And if you want to see more of my content but outside of YouTube, you can follow me on TikTok and also on my Instagram. You have it here. This is my Instagram, Jason J Kicks. I'm always uploading videos, picture, sneaker information like shock drop, early access, all the upcoming releases. You're going to know about that first right here on my Instagram, Jason J Kicks. Thank you again for watching, guys, and till the next one. This is a beautiful looking shoe. Don't tell me this is not, because I know it is. Goodbye.